keeping the rural segment into perspective, we have come up with a project, preferably a product. A product, ingenious hand pump and wheel-based smart e-sprayers. A product to the fact that this is not only built by just overviewing the problems, but after considering the root cause, keeping the user's perspective, their requirement in due consideration. And this product will definitely justify its existence. So, my name is Bhunesh Aragnol and we are representing Team Unanimous 4. So, to begin with, first we'll have a brief introduction via PowerPoint and followed by demonstration of a product along with an animated video.
India is an agriculture country. Over 80% of the population rely on the horticulture for their livelihood. As per the Indian government report, agriculture is the primary source for livelihood about 58% of the Indian population. According to the survey, nearly 75% of the full-time workers on Indian farms are the women, and they go through the tremendous physical pain, especially after the age of 40 and the 50. Farming activities such as grass cutting, seed sowing requires a lot of physical activities. For spraying pesticides, farmers have to carry a pesticide tank on their back for the long hours, resulting into the back pain and the several joint damage. Also, they came directly in contact with the hazardous chemicals and cause serious diseases like brain cancer and the Alzheimer. In traditional method, pesticide tank capacity is around 20 liters, which is why farmers have to refill it again and again. Also, farmers need to go to the soil testing lab repeatedly, which becomes hectic again and time consuming. As weather stations located at one region, it may not give the specific weather for the nearby areas, and it is important to get the precise weather report of the specific location to plan the further activities. It is difficult for the new farmer to make decision regarding which crop to cultivate and which fertilizer to use. This may result in the low crop yield. For large farms, if the disease is not detected at the right time, farmers have to face a huge loss. Crops worth 50,000 rupees are lost per year due to the pest and the diseases. Agriculture marketing is the huge concern in the rural areas. Proper marketing facilities should be made available in the villages. Also, the 75% village have several load shedding issues. Hence, there is need to promote and renewable energy. And there is need to present a government data in an easy way to the farmers. So, we did the research paper survey, a newspaper survey and the market survey to find out the previous available solutions so that we can overcome their drawbacks and come with the such solution. So, we came up with the solution Smart e-sprayer. So, our project is mainly divided into the two parts. First one is the hardware module and another one is the software module. We will see the real-time demo of the both modules in the upcoming real-time demo. So this is the key feature overview of our model. So we will see all the features one by one in the upcoming real-time demo.
Talking some of the major results. Now, as traditional farming involves a lot of manual work, this manual work may result in health issue. Now, this can be overcome by automating the task. Hence, in this health is being maintained. Now, when the task is automated, this automation or task helps to get the task done within a time bound and helps to reduce the time required. Now, sometimes the users are dependent upon third person or a middle person for some help related. Now, this can be easily overcome with a product and help to reduce the dependencies. Any information that may be related to agriculture, farming, weather analysis, soil analysis, crop, fertilizer recommendation. All this information will be made easily to the user and it will be available instantly. Now, by keeping all the key points into due consideration as all the services are fulfilled by a solution provided, and hence these factors will help to reduce the overall expenditure. Renewable energy along with a combination of battery is used in our product, and the battery that is present can be used by the user in hour of need, thus overcoming the problem of load shedding. All information related to agriculture will be provided easily on a mobile application. One of the major features of this product is that this product can be easily converted into electrical vehicle and can be used for transportation purpose also. With the help of weather and soil analysis device along with mobile application, the user will be provided information that is related to its soil analysis, a comparative study about the ideal and the required conditions will be provided along with an appropriate solution towards the same. And in a similar manner, for weather, a 30-day weather forecast will be provided to the user. And both these two parameters will be helpful for user to take decision firmly and wisely. And all the activities related to farming, all the features that I mentioned, this will greatly influence the traditional techniques and help to get the work done with ease.
Our product is affordable than the other market products as in consideration with the specification provided. It is efficient to help user in a day-to-day task with the ease and it saves time as well as money. As we are strengthening our solution, we are adding more features. It will help to the users. First is AI chatbot. Second is image processing. By using technique, we can get instant information about the plant disease. Second is video chat feature to connect agro experts for better suggestions, and it will help to users to connect with the doctors for if any disease occurs. Third is multilinguistic. Here we are providing our app in multi languages for user to make it user friendly. Fourth is hub. We are trying to get information about everything related to the agriculture in the one place. As we are commercializing our product, so marketing also a big concern, and for this we have initiative to establish a better strategy. First is, as to make marketing easier, we have built the 3D printed model, and this model supported with augmented reality. Combination of these two techs help us to fourth vision clearly. And also we have come up with the business model along with product lineup. There are stacks of achievements, competitions in which our project helped us to emerge as a true competitor and a winner.
So let's see the real-time demo of our prototype. These are the extra visibility lamps and this is pesticide level indicator. Moving further, this is seed sowing mechanism which we have tested. This is grass cutter tested in the garden. This is manual spraying mode with the pressure adjusting facilities. This is automatic spraying mode which have capacity of spraying pesticide in fruit farms. For different height crops, we have height adjusting mechanism in our model. Our model can be converted into the electric vehicle, that is EV, and can be used for the transportation purpose. Further moving, this is the soil and the weather box. As you can see the different readings on it. Now let's jump to the software part. The first one is the Android application. It is OTP based login system. After login, you can see the various tabs available and you can go through all of them. We can see the different types of fruit and crops available in there. There's disease information along with their cure. Further, we will provide this information in the multiple languages. There is weather prediction tab where you can see the current weather conditions, and further moving, we have implemented the government schemes so that the farmer can be benefited with that schemes, as many of the schemes are still hidden from the farmers. We have used the machine learning for crop recommendation system which can be benefited for the farmer. Moving further, we have used the 3D printed model for the marketing purpose. It is easy to use and it is easy to carry also. The AR app built by us is used for the explaining the business strategies. Now let's see the farmer feedback.
आज मैं ना एक फार्मर के खेत में आया था फार्मर के फीडबैक के लेने के लिए। काका, हमारे प्रोजेक्ट तुमको कैसा लगा?
ये अच्छा लगा, अच्छा सुधारना होता है। हमारे बच्चों लोग को साथ होता है, बच्चे लोग कर रहे हैं।
काय वाटलं तर आपल्या प्रोजेक्ट बद्दल तुम्हाला बोला त्यांना?
म्हणजे आम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम दुसरा काहीच नाही आता. आम्हाला तेवढा पंपाची गरज आहे, आम्हाला दुसरं कशाची गरज
तुमचं बॅक पेनचं प्रॉब्लेम?
हां, बॅकसेमचं ही काय आमचं प्रॉब्लेम होते त्याने तेवढं आम्हाला
हमारा चांगला कंपनी वर जे कमी झाले.
अच्छा अच्छा.
जे याने ते काढायला फायदा काम झालेलं आहे सर्व.
आपलं प्रोडक्ट तुम्हाला कसं चांगलं वाटलं ना?
नाही, मस्त वाटलं हे.
हां.
Who realize the real condition of farmers, analyze their problem and comes such a nice solution. Thank you.